In this video, we're going to review how to write equations that are parallel and perpendicular to a line in slope-intercept form. So I've given you the equation y equals 3x plus 4. I want to find the line that is parallel and perpendicular. So remember, parallel means the same slope. Okay? Now, remember, if I go to y equals mx plus b form, my m is my slope. So if I look here, my m is 3. So I have y equals 3, because that's my slope, x. Now, what I have to change is my y-intercept. So I'm going to say minus 2. For it to be parallel, my y-intercept has to be different in my parallel line than my original line, because parallel lines never intersect. So now, let's go to perpendicular. Now, perpendicular is saying the slope is the negative reciprocal. And so the slope is 3. So I want to find the negative reciprocal of 3, because that's my slope. So when I'm here, my slope is 3. Remember, my reciprocal means I change, I flip. Okay? And so now I flip it to 1/3. So I'm taking my slope under 1. So my reciprocal is 3. But remember, I want the negative reciprocal. So that means my equation is y. Remember, my slope, the reciprocal is 1/3. 1/3. I want the negative. So that means negative 1/3 x. Now my y-intercept, it does not matter what my y-intercept is going to be. So I'm going to use negative 99 for my y-intercept. And so that is how I find an equation that is parallel to y equals 3x plus 4 and y equals 3x minus 2, and then one that is perpendicular, and y equals negative 1/3 x minus 99.